Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine at your homes. Today we are going to read class 4 English unit number 1 Great Caliphs of Islam. After completing this unit you will be able to classify words that begin with vowel sound and expressions of greeting and recite poems, know about digraph, trigraph and silent letters and actions verb and describing words, signboard labels, nouns, articles and definite articles and adjective of quality, quantity, size, shape, color and origin, multisyllable words and capitalization rules. Dear student, look at the picture. What do you get from this picture? This is the picture of qualities of a good leader. A good leader should have these qualities, and these are the four qualities. That one is courage, determination, passion and humanity. A good leader should always follow these qualities. Do you know? Do you want to be a leader? Why? Which leadership qualities do you want to have? Why is determination important for a leader? Dear students, I think you can think about these qualities and these questions, and you have to answer these questions to your teacher. लेट्स स्टार्ट द रीडिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर ग्रेट कैलिफ्स ऑफ इस्लाम। इस चैप्टर में हम ग्रेट कैलिफ्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि इस्लाम के खुलफा कौन थे। द फर्स्ट कैलिफेट राशिदुन कैलिफेट वाज अ रूल्ड बाय द फोर राशिदुन कैलिफेट राइटली गाइडेड। The first one is Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, the second one is Hazrat Umar Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and the third one is Hazrat Usman Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and the last one is Hazrat Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Caliphs were religious and political leaders of the Muslim world. They were very close companions of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. They ruled under the guidance of the Holy Quran and teachings of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Rashidun Caliphate lasted for 30 years. It is a role model for all Muslim rulers. Let's read about the caliphs of Islam. The first one is Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziallahu Anhu. That was a friend of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. His name was Abdullah and his kunyat was Abu Bakr. His title was Siddiq and he was a man of good habits and he embraced Islam among the men. He is the first man to embrace Islam, and Hazrat Abu Bakr spent his whole life in company of Rasulullah, and he elected the first caliph of Islam and he remained caliph for more than 2 years. The second one is Hazrat Umar Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu was elected the second caliph of Islam, and he before embracing Islam Hazrat Umar was an opponent of the Islam. Opponent मतलब मुखालिफ थे वो पहले हज़रत उमर इस्लाम के. After that उन्होंने इस्लाम कबूल किया and Allah answered his prayers and guided him to embrace Islam. The Muslim gained strength after Hazrat Umar embraced Islam. Before the Caliph of Hazrat Umar Anhu, earlier the Muslim could say their prayers in hiding, but later they began to pray inside the Kaaba. That is why Rasulullah gave him the title of Farooq, which means the one who distinguishes between the right and the wrong. He became the distinguishing factor between Muslims and disbelievers. Hazrat Umar loved Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam very much, and he ruled at almost 10 and half years. The third one is Hazrat Usman. Hazrat Usman was a very pious man. He was a friend of Hazrat Abu Bakr. When Hazrat Abu Bakr invited him to Islam, he accepted instantly. उन्होंने फ़ौरन इस्लाम कबूल कर लिया. Hazrat Usman was a very rich trader. He is known as a ghani. उनको गनी के लक़ब से भी जाना जाता है because he is very generous and spent generously in the way of Allah. He always helped the Muslim in need. He was known of marrying two daughters of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, both at different time. That is why he is also called Zunnurain, which means the meaning of holder of two lights. After the martyrdom of Hazrat Umar Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, Hazrat Usman Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu became the third caliph of Islam, and he remained in office for 12 years. The last caliph of Islam is Hazrat Ali. Hazrat Ali was the son of Hazrat Abu Talib, uncle of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. From his early childhood, Hazrat Ali lived with Rasulullah, hence he was brought up in the care of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Ali was the first among children to embrace Islam. He was at that time only 10 years old. Hazrat Ali की उम्र सिर्फ 10 साल थी जब उन्होंने इस्लाम कबूल किया. Hazrat Ali wrote letters and treaties of Rasulullah. He was a very courageous man. That is why he is known as Asadullah, meaning the lion of Allah. During the war of Khyber, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam handed Hazrat Ali the Islamic flag and Allah granted victory to the Muslims. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had married off his beloved daughter Hazrat Fatima to Hazrat Ali. Hazrat Hassan and Hazrat Hussain Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu were the sons of Hazrat Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Rasulullah loved Hazrat Hassan and Razila Ta'ala anhu and Hazrat Hussain Razila Ta'ala anhu very much. After the martyrdom of Hazrat Usman Razila Ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Ali became the fourth caliph of Islam. He performed his duties as a caliph for almost 5 years. Dear students, we read about the caliphs of Islam and which two qualities of Hazrat Umar do you like the most and why? Write a few sentences about the life of Hazrat Ali in your own words. Let's start the exercise of this chapter. The first one is oral communication vowel sound. There are 5 vowel A, E, I, O, U in the English alphabets. These letters produce specific vowel sounds. Dear students, these are the words that begin with the vowel sound and vowel letter. Read the following words, write the words beginning with the vowel sound in the given blanks. These are the words that start with the different letters and you have to identify the word that is starting with the vowel letter and you have to write the correct option in these fill in the blanks. The next activity is learning to speak. Read the given greetings and fill in the blanks using word from the word bank. These are the word banks and these are the boy and the girl students and they have to completed their task as a dialogue and you have to write the correct uh, sentence in the correct column. The next activity is comprehension, reading, answer these questions. These are the question answer. The first question is why was Hazrat Abu Bakr Razila Ta'ala Anhu given the title of Siddiq? The answer is he Razila Ta'ala Anhu was given the title of Siddiq because he testified the journey of Miraj. The second question is why is Hazrat Usman Razila Ta'ala Anhu called the holder of two lights? ये इसका आंसर है. The third question is at what age did Hazrat Ali Razila Ta'ala Anhu accept Islam? And this is the answer of this question. Dear students, you have to write these question answer with your neat writing and learn these question answer. I hope you understood all the activities that I defined in